Guys, today we're going to keep working on the Nova. We're going to get the back trunk area sealed off. Onto some sheet metal there so we can block off the trunk from the cabin. Alright, we got it kind of trimmed up relatively close, so we're going to go ahead and test fit it in there. Too bad. Just need to do one more here yet. I'm gonna do drop this down a little bit more. Need to open this up more. Nothing I need to touch that. Just right here. Open that up. I should hopefully help fix that. I should get that tight. Touch right there. And that should be good. Alright, we got it in there. It sits pretty darn close. There's a little bit more touch up I have to do before we start riveting it in. I just got to make the two top pieces to completely enclose that. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take two sheets of metal. We're going to make it into one panel. I could not find a piece of sheet metal that was long enough to do the whole thing at once. So we're going to have to split it into two. So we're going to do half and half. And then we'll rivet that onto so that it should be all nice and good. Alright, we got it all traced out onto both pieces. So that's what it will look like when we go to cut it out. Alright, now we got everything kind of fitted up in there. Now we can start taking it apart and getting ready to rivet it in. on there. So not looking too bad. Obviously needs way more paint on it yet, but it's coming together pretty good. The steering wheel in there. We got it with the quick disconnect down there. She's ready to go. So I need the center of the bar at 23 inches. For length. Try 48. Oh guys, I apparently forgot to go to my mark and just cut it randomly wherever. So we're going to have to go get a new bar. Measure twice, cut once, right? Nailed it. As always guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe down below. We'll see you next week.